So one trader that I coach really loves breakout trades. And he was hit and miss with his breakout trades, choppy, up and down. He really liked the setup, had some pretty big wins and then some losses, and wanted to improve just on that strategy. And he did two things to really improve his success rate for breakout trades overall. And the first one was making sure that these trades are confirmed by volume. When he stopped taking trades that were not being confirmed by volume, he started doing much better. All right? And then the other thing is RVOL. So volume is different than RVOL, but putting those two things together, just in of itself, just those two variables, paying much more attention to that, not taking breakout trades if RVOL isn't elevated, not playing breakout trades if volume doesn't actually come in and confirm, or getting in and if volume isn't confirming, just getting out. Okay, so do not underestimate how important volume and RVOL is when you're trading breakout trades.
If you want to learn 3 real-world setups that our traders use, including the simple setup that we teach all of our new traders, and the setup that turned one of our traders into a 7-figure big money earner, check out the free webinar that we're currently running. Just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing right now at the top right-hand corner of your screen. That's going to open up the free registration page in a new window. Don't worry, you're not going to lose this video. You can also visit tradingworkshop.com to register for this free, intensive, awesome workshop. You're going to learn more in a couple of hours from this trading workshop than from years of online education.